Uh, just looking. Just seeing what I want to do. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody that's here. Yo, you broke today? What do you mean? What happened? What, after doing all those activation fees? Yo, that shit was wild. Yo, $720 reset. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, what's good? Yo, I just got approved for the $900 payout. Basically covered all my fucking PA accounts. Dude, that PA shit was crazy. I was telling my wife, I was like, yo, I got to hit the button a bunch of times in my office before I put the kids to bed. I was actually talking to Sean as the emails kept coming in, and I kept getting them. I was like, bro, they just keep coming in. It was wild, man. Shit just flooding in. Oh, dude, today's rough. I mean, today's a pretty shit day. Today's a shit day. I had to push this one PA. It was going to rebuild tomorrow for $105, and it wasn't even over 50 grand. So I push it. I took the screenshot in the fucking Discord. I got stopped out long. Right here is where the account blew. Right here, I blew the account with 20 micros. You couldn't make that shit up. Literally, I was shooting for the account to be up $1,000. And if I can't get $1,000, I don't know if I was going to keep it or not, because the rebill would have been $105 every month. And I would rather just slowly build 20 accounts that I never have to worry about a payment. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. In this chop is where I trade evals and shit. I mean, I think I said we were going to hit what, 500 in the Discord earlier this morning. This is what I was looking for. If you go to the 4-hour, we had this inversion right here, and I assume we're going to hit probably up here by 520. Bro, this account keeps giving me that noise out of the blue. It just made that noise right here, but there is no blown account. There is no blown account. I don't know why it does that. Happened yesterday like 2 or 3 times. It's funded ticks. I don't know why funded ticks account does that. By the way, you could tell what type of morning it is when I'm drinking a Celsius already. I'm already BD in a Celsius. What up, Andrew? What up, TJ? Corey? You guys enjoying? Yo, Apex. Apex deal runs until tomorrow. You can still pass them. You can still pass them. I might fire one or two. I have 20 accounts, but I might fire one or two up. Oh, Klarna? I don't know. I had to look at it, Maria. I don't know. Klarna's like a firm. I'm not that hot on it. How's that sound? It's just a buy now, pay later company. I don't know. I don't think it's going to get the juice that the other ones got. And that's just, I don't think I'm going to do it. Yeah. What about Gemini? I didn't see the Gemini one. Hold on one second. Gemini is going public? I'll tell you right now, IPO. Oh, shit. There's Figure, Gemini. Oh, that's Gemini Space Station. What the fuck is that? Oh, no. Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange. Okay. Yo, what up, Texas? Yo, I'm gonna request today. I might do Gemini. I'll probably end up doing Gemini. Damn, John. John, I owe you an email most likely. I usually handle it around lunchtime. Well, that was my target for the day. Literally. Fuck me, man. Yeah. 907. My bias is bullish. I think we see 100 points up from where we were at. 907, 430. Yeah, I think we get to, yeah. What up, Jay Styles? Yeah, man. That's freaking crazy. I should have played it in my personal account because there was no drawdown. I was just basically playing this. See, I'll just show you. We had this inversion block, and then we came back and retested at like, where were we? Where were we this morning? Yeah. I liked it. Not only did we have this inversion block, but then you had this fair value gap that we held as well in the 4 hour. Should have just played it with a big stop with small cons. That was my TP right here. 510. I think we see we're so close to previous day high. I would want to sweep that at this point. I don't know. I can't really buy up here. Oh, man. How's everybody's day going? Boom, 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 boom. Yo, I talked about it in the Discord, which is the worst part, is when I put my shit in there and then I just don't fucking follow through. I'm always like, you know, that's the worst part about it, is when I do shit like that, where I'm like, yo, this is looking great. This is where I wanted to go to. And then just stupid. Depending on how my day goes, I might light up a couple more Apex accounts. Just depending on, I don't know. Depending. We'll see. TBD. I got to look at Klarna, Maria. I got to look at Klarna versus Affirm and market share. You getting analysis paralysis? I would just go to the higher time frames.
Order rejected.
Wait. Why is this order rejected? Look at my trailing drawdown. Yo, this is the account they said I blew, but I don't see where I blew it. What the fuck is that? Yo, I'm taking a screenshot of this shit. I'm screenshotting that because that shouldn't be blown. There's $1,500 worth of drawdown. What the fuck is that? Yo, this is this. Yo, 90% Apex is still on, baby. Still on till tomorrow. I don't understand how I blew this account. Unless I log back off and log back in, and I'm still in. It still works. That doesn't make sense. This is the same company that had the issue with all the blown funded accounts, though, and then they put them all back in. So I'm sure it's just an error. $90%, and you still have the 85 until tomorrow at noon. I don't know. Tomorrow at nooner, the $85 goes away. I have no idea why they would make it noon when the trading day doesn't end at noon. What up, Inuit? It just makes no sense to me. Like, why wouldn't it just be end of day for midnight? I don't know. But yeah, if you it's 90% today and 85. Yeah, I'll tell you what, that's a good day. I take 4 out of 5. I need like a dip or something. You've been off? Dude, why is it taking so long to fix the truck? Yeah, you got to pass by tomorrow. By tomorrow at noon, Pika. Tomorrow at noon. I don't know. So when we have the not a real great setup, I'll just trade my little evals. So this is what up, man? I mean, you could pass in one day, Pika. I passed 14 of them yesterday. Live on the stream. It was freaking, bro, it was getting crazy at the end. It was getting fucking wild at the end. First time ever, I have 4 funded accounts. Bulenox, my fund futures, take it. Yeah. There you go. You're starting to build. Starting to build. Man, I had so much fun in the afternoon yesterday. That shit was so crazy. They should activate in time. I don't know why they wouldn't. All my emails came in different times last night. Dude, this thing's just grinding. How many did I pass in the last hour? Dude, I might have passed 4 or 5 in the last hour. Oh, motherfucker, the mosquito guy is here. Bro, I'm just gonna wave him on and be like, yo, do your thing, dog. Oh, you're the one fixing the truck? I thought somebody else was fixing the truck. I thought you dropped it somewhere to get fixed. Bro, this mosquito guy is coming to spray for mosquitoes. Yo, the guy was just here 20 minutes and sprayed a yellow jacket nest. That was massive. And they're so fucking angry outside. I should probably tell this dude, right? Before he starts spraying around my house. Before he gets freaking gangbanged by yellow jackets while he's spraying for mosquitoes. Dude, there's a massive nest in the ground. I didn't even know yellow jackets went in the ground. I'm just waiting for him to come to my door. So I'm just watching. That for my bias for the day, or for the beginning of the day, I should say. Call me a yellow jacket. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, man, they build these massive fucking nests. Man, the guy said it was like this. Because I'm getting these paper wasps in my house also. But he said like paper wasps, there might only be like 20 of them in the nest. And he's like, that's not, they don't, and they're very, too bad Apex, oh, what, and just say it was tomorrow the whole time? So what's funny is I emailed them, and their email back to me kind of alluded to the fact that they were going to extend it, but did not actually say that they were going to extend it. I might take this. Bro, this guy's not going to knock on my door. Bro, if there's one day the mosquito guy should knock on my door, it is fucking today. The one thing I'm worried about is they hold 500. I'm going to have a tight stop here. I'm worried that they hold 500. If they hold it, if they hold 500, but if they go below 500, Bro, this is looking naughty if it gets below 500. Dude, I'm keeping a tight fucking stop on it. Tight stop. I'm not even copy trading this. This is literally 1.5 micro. It's not. I don't love it. What up, Zelda? I am risking like $100, which is not a big risk. Yo, Sean, I was looking for him today. Hold on one second. Yo, what's up?
Hello, I'm from Gilboa. I'm here to do your payment today.
Yeah. You got it. Just go do it. Just to let you know, on the side of my property where my driveway goes down, they just hit a. They just sprayed a yellow jacket nest.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Other than that, you're good.
All right, thank you.
May the odds forever be in your favor, my man. Peace. Oh. You know, I didn't check my spam mail. So I got stopped out at the top here. I am not against getting into this, and I'll tell you why. If this holds, so it's basically holding. You don't want to close above, I don't know, 513. The biggest problem is you're at 23,500, which is obviously the risk that I knew getting into the trade, where they bounce it at 23,500. You know, it's just such a massive round number that you got to assume that there's going to be some type of support there. But I think if we break it, this will be the high of the day. If we break below it, it'll probably be the high of the day. But that's why I went super, super small. Like normally I'm copy trading multiple accounts. I wasn't copy trading that trade. That was going to be like, if it hit, we would come all the way down. If it doesn't hit, I lost, I don't know, 7 points, 8 points. He's like, what am I getting into? Yo! Bro. He didn't seem too happy about his job, though, so he's probably like not even going to spray the shit over there. Is that the golden shower pocket, Mo, Is that what that is? Dude, the throat goat. I mean, to me, this would be a great high a day. Literally, this is the peak. This is literally the top of the breaker on the 4-hour. My target was 509. Like, to me, this would be freaking awesome. And I might have got stopped out early. I'm just going to wait and see. Confirmation to me would be probably under 498, and my stop would be like, if we happen to go down right now, I would add into this under 498, and then my stop would be 517. Ratio? It's the shower, bro. It's the golden shower. Yo, what up? Flip. See, I'm not. Oh my God, is this going to do it? I'm not. I'm gonna freaking. Fuck, man. I just feel like I have to. I feel like I have to. It's not even that good. It's not even that. Just remember, this is more like a risk reward to me. The reward could be so much greater than the 10-point risk to me. The thing that you don't want is it holds here, and then you basically have a flag to a bullish flag. Like you want to get a drop at least to 4. Yeah. I wish I had more contracts. So we get to 94, I'm going to break even. This flash is down, I'm going to break even, and I won't, even as it is right now, I'm going to 510. I just feel like if we get back over 510, it's fucking invalidated. If we get over here, they're probably going to push it back up. And then I'm completely done with this fucking trade. Yeah. Well, it's $50. I'm perfectly fine losing $50. What up, TG? TGO? Damn, look at this shit today. Yo, Oscar Health fucking ripping it for me today. I post all this shit in the Discord, by the way. If anyone ever has questions about stock or options, I post it all in the Discord, just throwing it out there. Oh, this is setting up for Flaggy McFlaggerson. Oh. Did you miss anything? Hope you didn't miss the Adam's apple. What's up, man? How's Japan treating you? Yo, how often do you eat sushi over there, dude? Quick question. How often are you eating sushi over there? And is the sushi as good as people say it is? Because I had one friend go to Japan and he told me the sushi was better over here. But I had other people go to Japan and said they loved it over there. One to two times a week. Are you in the sushi by that nuclear reactor? Was that Fukushima? Are you in Fukushima sushi? Are you glowing, AD? Do you glow at night? Kobe. Yo, it's crazy. Is the best sushi I ever had is this place in Florida. And I've been to like Napa Valley. What are them? Mito Maro, whatever the fuck his name is. I ate at his restaurant. There was this small little place in Florida that I went, had the best sushi in the world. Not, I mean, raw fish is raw fish, but like they did rolls, and it was the best like combination of rolls I've ever had. I love raw fish. That to me though is, you know, as long as it's quality, it's quality. You ate pizza. You know, pizza in Italy is what do you call it? Brick oven pizza, right, Tack? Flip, is there any other way, bro? I've been to a lot of the high-end sushi restaurants. The place in Florida was still better. But I've been to like Koi, which is like a big one. I've been to a lot of different ones. I went on this little tear where I was just going to different sushi restaurants constantly. Poke bowls. What up, Tone Balone? See, this is turning into a flag now. Bro, I'm all in on this fucking account. I'm almost done trading evals, but this one is done. In the chop, I feel like you just got to switch to an eval and pray. Not pray, but listen, it looks like a flag. They're holding 500. The odds are it's probably going to pop a little bit more. If it drops, it drops. But this is why I wouldn't trade a funded account. It's just not my style of. This was my style. Right down here, came back up, and then you want to see continuation on this candle or this candle on the way down. We didn't get that. That was my move. And now that we're hanging here, they'll probably end up pushing it up. Oh, I thought this was funded ticks. It's actually trade day. I got rebuild. It's all chop. Yo, you lived where? You lived, hold on. Where'd you live, Mo, bro? Hold on one second. Oh, Hawaii. Bro, Hawaii had some good food, bro. I was in Hawaii. I ate pretty good in there. I went to, dude, what's the thing that they're known for in Hawaii? What's the food that they eat? Dude, it's the name of something. It wasn't poke bowls. No, dude, yeah, I didn't eat that though. Y'all had so much fucking shaved ice there. My wife got sunburned, so we couldn't be outside. She got sunburned real quick. My wife is actually Norwegian, so she's as white as you can get it. And we were out 45 minutes in Hawaii, and she was burnt already. Yo, what up, Tyler? I made 2 trades in it, and that was pretty much it. I don't know. I should probably open it up. I gotta consolidate all these things. So we were eating shaved ice like every day. We'd go out at the pool, and by like 11 o'clock, she was like, "Man, I feel like I'm getting burned." So we would leave, and then we'd go get shaved ice, hang out a little bit, you know. So we were in Hawaii for 2 weeks. I did a lot of shit in Hawaii. It was fun. We went to one of those volcanoes where you go at like 2 a.m. and you wake up and you're above the clouds. That threw my shit way off, though. like jet lag and everything, man. Scandinavian neighbor, yeah, she's like, I don't know, like 80% Norwegian. She burns super freaking quick. And I'm Spanish. And the sun really doesn't bother me. If I'm hanging out in Hawaii for 2 weeks, though, I'm definitely putting sunscreen on. But I'm not, I made it through Hawaii fine. We went through a maze. We went to the Dole Whip fucking maze. And we just did an outside maze. And we were out there for like 40 minutes. And she was like fucking red. I was like, holy shit. So tourist. The Dole Whip, bro? Yo, that Dole Whip was freaking awesome, man. I feel you, though. I did all the touristy shit. That's like when you guys come here and go to Times Square. I'm like, I would never go to Times Square, bro. Never, ever would I go to Times Square. People go to I see people go to New York City and they go and they eat at like Bubba Gum Shrimp Factory in fucking Times Square. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? You know how many good food places there are around here, and you're at Bubba Gum Shrimp in Times Square? Ah. That's why I stay out of wacky. Bro, what is wacky? I stayed at I'll tell you where I stayed. In Maui, I stayed at the Four Seasons, and in Kauai, I stayed at the Grand Hyatt. And then I went to whatever island has Pearl Harbor on it. We stayed at some random place for 2 nights. Whatever island has Pearl Harbor on it feels like Miami. I thought I was on A1A in Miami. I was like, dude, I just flew 15 hours to be in Miami. What's up, Kisan? One of those food capitals of the world, and people choose to eat the same things they eat at the house. Dude, I just find it crazy when people come to New York City where you can eat like, dude, you go to Chinatown and eat crazy. Like, you can go to so many fucking places and eat like wild dishes, and they just choose to eat these fucking like TGIFs in New York City. I'm like, bro, why would you do that? Danish and Swedish. I'm probably oversizing in this fucking account, to be honest with you. What do I think about this PA? I think we're just chopping, but we're slowly coming down. I feel like I'm gonna have to sit through a lot of chop here. I feel like I oversized in this position actually by 1. Maybe I should not fucking. I actually just sold 1. I just feel like I oversized. Even though I'd be up right now, I just feel like I over. Oh shit! I actually went in 3. Fuck. I hit the sell button, but I meant to buy back. My bad. When we meet in Vegas, probably in like January, February, I would probably say. Do a little Vegas trip.
Order rejected.
That's weird. Wait, why is my fucking order rejected at? What the fuck is this? Yo, I have a brand new. Yo, I'm gonna take that off. Dude, that fucking paid too. Oh, I just got fucking shook out. I got shook out, but it paid. Actually, I just caught that in a bunch of accounts. Dude, that was a pretty good trade. But this is what I didn't like about it. And I'm going to explain why I didn't like it. And I'll just tell you, like, I'm not going to sit here and be, oh my God, I told you. This is what I liked about it. This is what I didn't like about it. One, you have this inversion right here, right? But it never pushed below 500. They bounced it 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking times. They bounced it. It just felt like it was flagging to the upside more. It just felt like they weren't going to let it go. And then they finally did let it go right here. They bought it back up and the high was lower. And then I kind of liked it. But if you look, you know, it sucks. But like I tried my shorts, right? I tried short here. I lost. You know, I made back all of my money I lost testing it out. And now I'm up $44. Obviously, $44 isn't like some massive gain. But, you know, like I stuck with my thesis. I stuck with the trade and I'm up in the account, in the PA account. I do think we're going to go lower. This is the top of the imbalance. So I figured we'd bounce here, which we are bouncing. I don't know if I'm going to reshort it. Stochastics are low. I would want to see a bounce up. Maybe we retest 500 and then come down. What up, Aramis? I need to figure out why the fuck my account is. I've never contacted my funded futures. Yeah, was yesterday your record number for eval pass in a day? Yeah, I've never passed 14 evals in a day. I typically don't try to do some wild shit like that, to be completely honest with you. I gotta send my funded. Why is my account fucking? You know what sucks is I was gonna short this. Did I complete it? Oh, this thing's fucking giving it up. I wouldn't do this in a funded account, just an FYI. I might short this and my stop is going to be 89. Come on, baby. Give me the fucking drop. Oh, I'll take one off right there, and I'm at fucking break even. Boy! Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. I'm sitting right there at the 200. Come on. Please. I'm going to move my stop down to here. I'm just following these candles. Come on. Oh, shit. Guys, did you just see that shit? Oh, my God. Yo, tell me somebody. Did you just look at that? Go ahead, Jaden. Bro, they missed me by like one tick. That was one tick. That was one fucking tick. That's crazy. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, man. I got some in my eye. Jeez. Dude, that was one tick. I just got... Five, 9, 4. I'm trying to see. I don't know why my account's disabled on this brand new core account. Dude, that was nice. I hope, listen. Yo, straight robbery, Monet. You ain't kidding. I should have just stuck with my gut and had my stop here. Because when you on this candle, when we inverted, my stop technically should have been 524. I just didn't trust it. I should have just trusted myself. That's what I get. Dude, this looks shitty. I'm just telling you. This looks really shitty to keep going. I'm taking eval gamble right here. That's what this is. This is an eval gamble. The gamble is that we're going to blow right past the 200 and that it's going to absolutely shit itself. There we go. I just got 130 and I'm at break even. Free trade, boy! Come on. I'm just going to move down with I'm going to move down with it. I think I can only make $1,000 in this account, by the way, a day. So after this trade, no matter what happens, I'm probably done in this account. I'm just working these. I think these are trade day accounts. Whatnot just pull out back to support. Dude, this is going to come all the way back down to here. I have a feeling we're going to see 375. Man, that's fucking crazy because I had that move and didn't do it. Oh. $420 is VWAP. Don't call it a comeback. I'm just trying to think, what account is this? Okay. Dude, that would have been a massive fucking short. I'm just looking, 143. I need to pop these in. There's no funded account trade over here now. I'm just, the next trade that I would be looking for, we just swept London highs and we just took this low out. I would be looking to maybe invert. Actually, that would not be a terrible trade right there. Let me bring up my other fucking chart. I would be into something like this. We get back over 35 and I take it to the upside. Sweep London highs. I mean, no matter what, Mo, bro, you're going to leave money on the table. You're never going to get in at the bottom, out at the top, or shorting at the top and covering at the bottom. All you're doing is trying to get a piece of the pie. You're never going to get the whole thing. Never going to get the whole thing. It's just the way it is. You know? You're just looking to consistently get a good amount. That's all. You know, if you can consistently get 20, 30 points in a day, I mean, you don't really need more. I'm just waiting to see this on the way back up, maybe. Come on. Come on, right here would be nice. We get back over London highs. Oh, what the fuck is my... Oh, man, hold on one second. Shit's selling hard. What is it, 37? They're freaking over 37. I'm watching. I'm waiting. Just got to be patient. See, somebody probably just bought because that turned green and just got freaking dick kicked. Just wait. It'll happen. Dude, the fact that I had the top and didn't hold is such fucking bullshit. Do not come. Do not come. Oh, man. This is going to bounce. I should have put my stop at the top of this candle. This is the candle that created the inversion. My stop should have been at 23 or 24, and I just fucking didn't do it, PG. TJ, I'll be honest with you, even if you're at work, you could probably set alerts on TradingView, and you'd probably be fine. You know, if I was at work, I would only be playing sweeps. Yeah, man, I like September action. This action's been pretty good. Tyler, I had it at the top off the inversion and did something stupid, and then I had to re-enter. What's crazy is I saw it going up on the 4-hour inversion. I got stopped out at this candle I got stopped out at. Right at literally like right here. Dude, I'm gonna take this back up to but you were probably smart and kept your stop at 524. I got shaken out like a little bitch, and then I had to re-enter. I'm guessing that's where you put your stop, right? At 524 on that the one candle going down, unless you're not playing ones, because or if you're playing higher time, then it was probably the high of day. Oh man, this is freaking. I'd love one more candle fucking down, but dude, I've never seen this happen. My funded futures, my account says disabled, but it's brand new. I didn't even trade in it yet. I didn't even freaking trade in it, man. Yeah, that's pretty much where my stop was until I bitched out, and then I had to re-enter. Someone's at my door? Who the fuck's at my door? Yes? How can I help you?
Hi, I'm from Topstep Control. I'm just here to do a quality audit. So it's pretty much just I asked you how the install was, if you're happy with anything, if I need to correct anything, like on site, anything like that, if you had any problems, questions, concerns.
No, everything's good.
Okay, perfect. If anything changes, give the office a call. We'll come back out.
Thanks.
All right, no problem. Have a great day.
Bye. Bro, that's how pornos start, man. That girl's way too hot for working there. Holy shit. If I was single, I would have been like, yo, you want to come in for some tea? I don't even know what I did. I was on the ring and I just fucking hit the buy button a bunch of times. Probably going to regret this. I didn't mean to buy 4 fucking contracts. I sized in way too heavy, so I just sold 2 out. I don't care if it goes up. I just sized in too high, too big. Yo, I can only do, I think, $900, right? Is that what it is? I think it's like $900. I'm out on this because I think it's $900 ish. You can only do, what is it, 30% consistency on, oh, I'm still in this one. You can only do 30% consistency on some of these fucking accounts. So I don't want to get too much money. All right. Either way, that was a good trade. Yeah, I saw her on the ring, bro. She was good looking. She wanted to see how my install was. Bro, I'm sure I'm gonna get a text from my wife. Like, yo, who the fuck was that at the door? Who is that girl at the door? Dude, I can't put her photo on the fucking live stream. I have it recorded. I have the ring recorded. I definitely have her photo, but I can't put it on. I can't just put somebody just random. Yo, honey, don't worry. Just pest control. Dude, I have bees at my house, man. The bees were at my house. I didn't find termites inside my house, but they were outside. I saw them, so I had to get this thing installed. Dude, we won't tell. Am I going to take this? Fuck yeah, whatever. It's just, my stop's going to be right here, though. Come on. Come on. Just fucking push it, baby. Dude, I know, man. It's crazy. They obviously, keep going. I'm just going to move up at the bottom. Boom. I got to look at the rules on these funded tick accounts and trade day. I think they're like 30% consistency. I don't know. I just kind of stack in little gains in them. I know you can't pass in one day. I have no idea who this is. I'm not picking this up. Not picking it up. Dude. See, this is not the bounce that I like. I would want to see the bounce like this. We come down, maybe we retest like this, and now it should be just continuation up. This is looking like eventually we're going to roll over. I have a 3-day minimum. I got to look at all the rules. Is that funded ticks is a 3-day minimum? Because I think 7 days is 7 days is, what do you call it? Trade day is 7 days. So I guess funded ticks is 3 days, 40%. Oh. Yeah. All right. So what I think that's 1,000 then, because I think it's 2,500. I think these are all 2,500 to pass. I think that was the cool thing about them was 2,500 gets you over. So I think once I get within $1,000, I could pass in one day. Yo, what up, Mr. Anderson? Oh shit. I'm trying to think what's going on here. And funded ticks, yeah, those are all evals and funded ticks. That's the one good thing about I did that deal, Sean. It was $38 all in. How do I pass up? Yeah, Apex has extended their lifetime activation for Apex, $85 is till tomorrow at nooner. I don't know why they would do it midday, but that's the deal. $85 ends tomorrow midday. So you could still pass, you still get 90% off, still pass $85 activation. Oh, man. It's pretty cool that they extended it, though. At least you got another day to be a complete degenerate and try to get as many as you want. You could have passed a lot on the move on down. I mean, you could have passed right on this bounce. The one good thing about Apex doing this is it puts pressure on other firms to also run deals. That's the one thing that I like about it is when Apex runs deals, Bulenox has to run a deal, and all these other companies then are forced to run deals. And that's kind of what I want to see. Yeah, I passed 50%. I passed about 50% of the accounts, though. If I told anyone in here you could pass, your pass rate's going to be 50%, bro, you would jump, everybody would jump on board for 50%. But yeah, I was complete degenerate. They ran it on like Friday. It was some crazy, it was $38 all in. Nah, here, I'll open it right now. I'll be honest with you, I forgot to open the duck race the whole time. There you go. There you go, Charles, just for you. What up, La Rosa? Yeah, they had that crazy deal, so that's kind of why I did it. That was the first time I ever bought. Like, these are the first funded ticks accounts I've ever bought in my life, and it was only because they were running some deal. Like, I have way more than enough accounts. I don't need more accounts. I am set on accounts. Unless somebody comes out with like a crazy fucking deal, I feel like at that point I have to do the deal. That's kind of where I was at, was like, man, these are too good to pass up. Fucking unload it. Yeah, $30. Yeah. I mean, and you had to get 25. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, at that point, I know nothing about funded ticks, but I am willing to risk it, being that the deal just kind of made sense. Yeah, Victor. I mean, the rollover looked like it was going to happen. Does it continue down? I don't know. It looks weak as shit. Looks super weak. Yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about them, but I feel like any prop firm, if you're only going to request $1,000 each, they're probably going to pay you the $1,000 just so they don't get the bad press. Oh, what up, Turtle? What up? What up? Dude, I need something good for lunch. I don't even know what I'm going to eat for lunch. I don't even know if I got food in this house. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, we take out these lows at 370. I'd be looking to. That's previous week lows. Oh man, I don't know. Kind of in the middle here. I think we're gonna just trend down. It just looks weak. Yeah, listen. I get one payout. It more than covers all the accounts I got. That I can tell you. I spent $200. One payout. I'm up on them. How are we looking at it? I think we're looking. It's a mixed bag. It's a mixed bag. Up some, down some. I would watch that they're going to maybe turn this back up. Dude, isn't it like it's 12:50 in the morning, man? I'd be not eating at 12:50 in the morning. This looks like they're going to turn it up. I don't know how high you're going to go, but maybe it just creates one big bear flag for the day, and then you're going to either get a break to the downside or the upside. So I need some good food. I don't know what that good food is going to be, but I need it. Yeah. Where do we find the best current PO? What is PO? Vito? Where do I find the best current PO? If I knew, yeah, I would need to know what that is. Prop firm deals. Apex is running 90% off. I usually post them all here. Here's where I keep them all. There you go. That's typically where I keep them all. I try to keep this as updated as possible. Obviously, Apex is 90% off. I didn't update it on there, but that's usually where I keep them all. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, I mean, I would say the best deals out there. I mean, what would we say the best deals out there? Apex 90% off, $85 activation fee is probably the best deal that's out there right now. My Funded Futures gave out 25% coupons. If you use that on a core account, its core account is only $58. That's a pretty good fucking deal. Trying to think what other like quality deals there are. Trade Days deal just ended. Funded Ticks ended. I'm trying to think. OnlyFans running half off. My Feet Finder is half off. Yeah. Yeah, Take Profit Traders 40% off, no activation fee. Take Profit Traders the best accounts because you can get daily payouts with them. Yo, damn, Tyler. Yo, pump it up. Yo. Oh, shit. If I'm on Feet Finder, what's the code? It's always Cove Traders, the code. It's the only code that works. I'm waiting for this. This looks like eventually it's going to dump out. I don't know if it's going to, but I would assume that this is one big bear flag. Oh, man. Just fucking dump it, man. Just dump it. I need to I played 5 micros. I just got in. I'm at 5 micros. Bro, who the fuck is paying $729 for a funded account on Topstep? Like who thought that that was going to be a good idea? I just went to get Apex. What, 90% off? It should definitely be working. Is it in capitals? Wait, 90% off is done, Tyler? No. No. They killed 90% off? Oh, it's only the activation fee? Shut the fuck up. Oh, geez. That's fucked, man. I thought they extended both. They only extended the activation fee. That's crazy. Fuck that. Just the activation fee. Dude, that sucks because I was going to get a couple of accounts today and have some fun later on, but apparently not. Apparently not. That was the break.
Order rejected.
Dude, that's crazy that on this dumbass straight to funded account, you can only do 5 micros. That's got to be the worst rule ever. I blame this on Sean. Sean, you forced me to buy that account. You can only do 5 micros. This thing just looks weak. I mean, they can bounce it. I'm just saying it looks weak. There's nothing here that I'm like, oh my God, I need to get in. Even if they bounce it, there's nothing here saying, oh, this is the setup for me. I would think we're going to be targeting 372. We're probably going to target these lows again. A sweep of these lows, I would then play it back to the upside. Just seems like that's where we're going to be headed to. There's nothing here that the only thing I do like is that we swept and they bought it, but I don't like all of this. I want to see it down at 372 would be fucking money. Money, 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 money. Give me 372. Yeah, it's definitely going to slow up. I just think that it slowly grinders on the way down to 372. But I've been wrong before. Yo, they only allow you 1 mini then. Is that what it is? 1 mini, Sean? I think is it 1 mini and for 5 micros? Is that how it works? I wonder if you could do both. You do 5 minis? I didn't know that. But all right, guys, I'm going to grab lunch. I'm gonna be back at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2:15. I gotta go eat. I'm fucking starving. I also got to see what these bee people did outside. I gotta look at the pest control shit outside. This is just looking choppy as shit. I would assume we're gonna go lower. That would be my bias. We just wicked twice to the upside and haven't done shit. So there we go. All right. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. We'll do some account giveaways, a bunch of other shit. If you want to support the stream, Use the code below. I'm going to be in the Discord hanging out in about an hour after I get lunch and I see what these B people did. Yo, take it easy, AD. All right? Peace.